And here it is. That little band. It's working. No kidding. Now I can't tell you how accurate this thing is, but if I get this thing to focus, what you'll see is right in. Let me point it out in case you're lost. Oop, like I am, right there. Right in there. It's working. I am so stoked. And this is a working machine too. I think this is awesome. That thing is doing a really good job so far. Now, what these are is elastics for braces, 3.5 ounce. I think that's the amount of stress they're designed to take in whatever unit of measurement. 3/8 inch. Got these on Amazon. I thought I was buying one little bag for, I don't know what it was, $5, $7, $9, whatever it was. I thought I was getting one pack. I got a bag of packets, a whole frickin' shitload of them. And there it is working. I am impressed. And this is the model 220, which is a heck of a lot different in terms of, well, it's altogether a different thing. This has the tube in it, whatever that tube is called, that does the recording. The 550s and up have an actual sensor, and in those, it's the same gadget in there, but there is like all the stuff. Let me go back a little bit. Is that the right way? Nope, that's not the right way. There's a whole universe of stuff you have to go through before you can get to that little motor. I did not have to take the side off it. This I took off because I thought I had to take the entire side off of it. On this one, you don't. All you gotta do is take this thing off and unplug it. You can see the plug hanging there, and the little pluggy anything is right there. And this is, see, that's my hand right now. Move my hand, put my hand in the way. I'm stoked. And also my the really not very fast zoom also works. That's on the other side. Or is it on this side on this one? Yeah, I think it's on the other side in this one. That also has a little rubber belt, but that one did not turn into sticky goo. So there you have it. I call this a victory. I have no idea how long these things will last, but if they were meant to be living in a kid's mouth, I would imagine that their service life would be reasonable. And on the 220, it's not hard to do. Took a fairly fine Phillips, it probably should be a JIS screwdriver, and a somewhat bigger one to get the body panel off. But I'm going to call this a victory, and I'm pretty happy.